Hello and welcome to an overview of the Smarter Workspace. At Smarter, we offer a data-driven training solution. Today, we will walk you through how to create a new KPI and insert them to your training program on Smarter Workspace. Let's get started. Go to smarter.co on your browser. Log into your organization account and go to your organization's workspace by clicking Go to my workspace. Firstly, let us show you how to create a new KPI for your training program. In the left menu, select KPI in the KPI section. Click on Create New button on the right. Now, all you need to do is to fill in necessary details, name and unit of the KPI. You can also add some details to describe how this KPI is going to be achieved in the description box below. Once you finish, click Save and your KPI template will be listed in this KPI list. Now, after creating KPIs, you need to add them to the training proposal for evaluation purposes. Go to Program in the Talent Management tab and choose the program you want to input the relevant KPIs. Select Edit. Scroll down to KPI section. Select the relevant KPI related to your training program. Once you finish, click Save for review. And now, this program is pending review from your training manager to approve. That's it for this product update video. If you find this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.